right, I want to tell you guys about this project called Ordzaar. It's the best marketplace on the Bitcoin network, allowing you to trade ordinals and start your own collections. So a few days ago, actually a few months ago, they actually found out the launch of the airdrop. So you don't want to miss this on the farmed gem. So the team announced the airdrop campaign in which you'll need to farm points. This point will be converted into confirmed tokens. So all you need to do right now is to hurry up, because the phase 1 is now on the way and it's absolutely free. So all you need to do is just to follow my full step in this video to be able to participate in the airdrop. You will need to download a couple of wallets to make use of this. Okay, let's go into these airdrop tutorials now and stay positioned, everyone. All right, so if you check on the link in the description, you will actually see this the link to this website here. It's called Odsa. But before you click on the link, you need to actually get your Unisat Chrome extension wallet. So all you need to do is just go to the link on the description, click on it. It's going to bring you here. Make sure you download the Chrome extension, and once you've downloaded the Chrome extension, it's going to actually be on your system. Click on this part, make sure you pin it. You can see I pin mine. Okay, so from here right now, all you need to do is to open the wallet and create a new wallet if you don't have a wallet to recover. Once you've connected your wallet, make sure you go through this setting I'll be showing you right now. Go to settings, make sure this is in Taproot. Okay, because Taproot and the native address is different. Okay, make sure it's on Taproot. Go back, go over to network, make sure it's on live network and not testnet. Okay, go back, and then you can actually go to your wallet here. So you have to refresh, come back here, refresh the page if you've opened it before, then click on connect wallet. Connect your wallet and then make use of the Unisat we just set up, and then connect it, grant it access. Okay, make sure this wallet is on Taproot, please, very important. So if you want to send Bitcoin to your wallet, you'll be sending it to the Taproot address, which is this one on our screen right here. Click on this part. You could see that the address is the same. It ends in 3A. It ends in 3A also. So copy this address and send Bitcoin from a centralized exchange or from a DEX, however you want to do it, but make sure you send it to this address. All right, so there are actually different tasks to do here. I've completed 10 out of 18. So there is a platform task where you have to provide your artist name, customize your profile URL, provide a bio, connect your X account, and connect your Discord account. We also have is the social. These are actually free tasks you could do to get some XP. If you do everything, you have 3,250 XPs. These are the free way to get XP. Then if you have some money to spend to get even more XP, which would be beneficial in the future, not financial advice, nobody knows, but Bitcoin ordinals airdrop, they usually hit. If you know about the previous one called Pizza, okay, you can check from here and you could actually go to marketplace. I think Pizza should be at the top. Okay, you could see Pizza. They actually gave this airdrop for free, and some people had a minimum of 100 with just doing one transaction using your Unisat wallet. They got 100 Pizza depending on how much they did. Okay, I can see this is actually worth $400, but when the initial listing, it was actually at $700 to $800. Okay, so let's go back to what we were doing. So from here, you could actually see that there are some free tasks to do. When you're done with this part, you can go to marketplace and mint 10 ordinals. All you need to do is just to make sure you open this on a new tab if you want. Okay, so from here, you could just go ahead and just mint 10 ordinals in the launchpad. If I open this on a new tab, it's going to bring me here. So this is the launchpad. Actually, we can actually just go ahead and, you know, get some purchase here. Okay, let me just go open this for you guys. If I click on claim, it's going to show me this, and I'm going to open this on the launchpad. So you could see this is the launchpad. Okay, so you can see this is a launchpad. If I go ahead and just, make any mint from here, you can see mint 10 ordinals. I can go here and just make sure I just mint the top 10, just mint the top 10, and I'll automatically get that point, which is 20,000 XP. You can go ahead and mint 30, go ahead and mint 50 if you have the money. You can list some of your mints. You can list them on the ordinals. You can go ahead and just do some listing. Okay, you see listing, go ahead and just do some listing or your orders. Okay, so from here, once you're done, you can purchase an ordinals from the marketplace. For example, of items in the marketplace, this one's at the top here. You can see that this one is actually verified projects. Go ahead and just click. If you have the money though, you can just go ahead and come to this Ordzaar pass. This is the most, I think this will be one of the most valuable mints. So this is the Ordzaar pass, and I think this is a very special collection here. You can see it's just 2,100 and 82% has been taken already, and just a few has been listed. As you can see, these ones have been listed, but from this point go down, it's not listed. You can see not listed for sale. You can see just a few are actually listed, like less than 40 is being listed for sale, and whereby we have a total supply of 2,000. So you can see that these guys are diamond hands. They value the pass so much. Maybe those that are listing here are those that actually have maybe multiple, and then they're just listing some of the ones they have for just quick cash or something. Okay, so if you go back here, you could see that we have marketplace task, and I've taken you guys through the platform tasks. So for you to be able to do the platform task, all you need to do is just to come over here and then click on view profile. When you click on view profile, it's going to take you to this part that says edit profile. So when you click on edit profile, it's going to actually take you guys through this part. So for the URL, you should replace your wallet address to something unique and put a bio, put on your socials, your Twitter, your Discord, and just underneath this, you'll be able to put your email address. Okay, so once you're done with this, just go ahead and go back, and then you can just refresh this page, come over to platform, and you'll be able to claim all these points here. Okay guys, if you don't want to miss out on any updates regarding some of the airdrop that we are staying positioned for, make sure you join the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the description also. Peace out. Make sure you stay positioned.